All right, so this is just clips, just a random clip of us prepping to paint a day before. So you can see that this room still has like the yellow. We rolled on some white, but it still has the yellow outline. We're still going to spray. Um, this is just the bathroom surround that we roughly installed with duct tape and whatnot. Um, and this, you can see it's not painted yet, but we took off all the doors, taped everything up. And so this was just a random clip that I wanted to show you guys. Took the counters off and was just getting that living room ready
Alright,
to
so I'm not
spray.
sure what follow-up video this is, part 3 or 4. I might combine some of them because lots of moving parts, but we have the electric fireplace here that will go into the fireplace, the freshly gray painted fireplace. We got the doors put in. They were primed doors, but now they are painted. So we got all that in. Painted this door black. It used to be white, and it matches the outside now. All of this is white. Still got to put the cap up there. And so still working on it. Still have not put the floors in, but we are all painted white. We got the new doors put in. I know probably from old videos it looks a little different, or it kind of looks the same, but it's actually different. We got new doors put in right here. These are brand new doors. If you go back to the old videos, they were like that old-timey doors. So these were brand new with the frame. We're gonna put trim over this to cover that up. Inside of the closets have all been painted white. I don't know, in the other video you saw that this one had like a nasty trim over here. It was like yellow colored. So it's been painted, ready to go. The bathroom, we took this, hold on, it's not focusing. There you go. Okay, so the bathroom, we took the sink out. Toilet, that's just in there for show purposes. It's not fully there. We got the bathroom surround put in. We got the plumbing put in for the shower. Previously the plumbing came out like right about here, which was extremely short. So we pushed it up to there, and then we got the plumbing put in. We kept the same tub, but we got to clean it out. And then we got to put a trim piece right here. Lots of little moving parts. This little closet area we just painted, but the wood pieces we pulled out were not worth saving, so we're going to put some new plywood in. And let's see how the paint in the, so this is just the old microwave. This is the sink that's going to go back in. Let's look at the outside deck. So this deck right here just got painted, and you might not see a difference, and the reason for that is it is the exact same color as what it was before. It's like this patio paint that we use for everything. Concrete, obviously painting patios, decks. We pretty much use chimneys. This is the same paint that's painted the chimney inside that I just showed you. So we use it for a lot of things, and when we started painting it, we realized that the old paint was exactly what this new paint is. So it's kind of hard to tell, but yeah, it's nice, shiny, and gloss, and it's freshly painted. So that's good. Let's turn this off. And so here, so we got the microwave in, still getting the stove and the fridge. Countertops are going in tomorrow. I tried to get black, I tried to get a different color, so I'll let you guys be surprised at what color we pick. The cabinets are painted white, but they still need touch-ups, and they still need the handles. Still got to put handles on all of them, but they're coming out really, really nice. So I'm very happy about that. And they kind of look bare, and they kind of look like, you know, bare minimum or whatever. But that's because we don't have the stainless steel appliances. Once you put the stainless steel appliances in, it looks like brand new. It looks ridiculously good. And then the laundry room is the same. Not too much. We had the laundry room painted. Let's just show you. But the fan is really loud, so bear with me. But yeah, all this is painted. This was all painted. You probably can't tell, but it was all painted. This was, remember, I don't know if you guys remember from the old video, but this was all drywall. This was all drywall. So, was sheetrock, excuse me, and now we drywalled it all up. And so the laundry room kind of looks unfinished, but it's completely drywalled up. It's not just sheetrock. Over here, I don't remember in the older videos, or in the first video, this was all sheetrock all the way to the top, but now it's all drywalled up and everything, and so we are good to go with that. Just gotta do a couple touch-ups, flooring and baseboard, because as you can see, there's no baseboard. So flooring and baseboard, and that's it. And then counters go in, put the little handles here, and then run around doing touch-up on everything A to Z, and we're done. So it's not that quick of a flip, but it has taken, you know, what is it, like a week and a half? It has taken longer than I anticipated, but yeah, we're gonna clear all this out, and we're gonna prep the floor for, because there used to be rugs, so we have to take off all of this tacky, what is it called, double tack or whatever it's called, the gripper, or they use for rugs. All that's got to be taken off. They're already taken off in the rooms. We just haven't done it in the living room yet. So we got to take that off, sweep, make sure everything's ready to go, and then we're gonna put the flooring in. And surprisingly, flooring goes really fast because there's, like, you know, transitions and stuff. The only transitions we'll probably need are probably around here, which is like the trim for the fireplace, and maybe some in the bathroom. But other than that, we're pretty solid, because we're gonna use that flooring everywhere, so we really won't need transitions. So it'll go pretty quickly, and it won't be that big, you know. It won't take as long as paint did. Paint took really long because, you know, all these cabinets right here, you would paint them, and then you would have to wait like 3, 4, 5 hours for the paint to dry so that you could put the second coat on. And then you would have to wait, you know, a couple more hours till the third coat and whatever. So it took a long time to paint, but flooring is just basically flooring and baseboard. And that, I mean, we're talking half a day to prep, and maybe half a day to install half of it, and then the whole next day to do the rest of it, and that's it, you know. So we're getting this fireplace put in, which I'm very excited for, so we'll see how that goes. Something about this fireplace is there's no electricity, so this fireplace right here comes with a plug. It comes with a plug. I thought it would be hardwired in, but either way, as you can see, there's no outlet next to it, because usually there's an outlet next to a fireplace to where you could tap into it. We can't tap into that, so what we're doing is we're going to grab some 14 gauge wire. We had to YouTube this and jerry rig this, but we got some 14 gauge wire that we use for the bathrooms, for the fans or whatnot. What we're going to do is, in here, which is access to the crawl space, there's a wire back there, right there. We found that wire randomly. We have no idea what that was used for, but it's clearly coming from the crawl space. It's a live wire, and it's taped off. So we're just gonna use that. Drill, as you can see, this is the chimney. We're gonna drill straight into the chimney, drop the wire, put in, where's that? Put in a box and an outlet right here on the inside of the fireplace, and then put the fireplace in front and plug it in. And we're probably gonna have to take one of these bricks out, and we'll just go from there. So kind of something, usually there's electrical outlets on the side that we have to tap into. This one was a little bit interesting as it didn't, but we found a live wire, which is good. So we'll go with that. So we are 8 minutes into this video. So hopefully I'll have an update for you tomorrow. See you guys on the next one. Bye.